Hi guys, bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing good. So this is the look we're doing in today's video. I am priming my eyes with the Maybelline, I don't remember the name of this, age something. And I'm just blending that out to get a clean base for my eyeshadow. So I'm using this Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm taking this purple shade and I'm using that as a transition color. I'm just putting that all over my crease. This is the Magic palette. I'm taking another purple shade. It's a little bit deeper than the first one. It has maybe like a blue tint, if I will call it that. So I'm putting that on my crease and concentrating it just like on the outer V. And I still want the other purple that we used from the Zulu palette to peek through. So I'm going back in with the blending brush to blend that out, so I just have really soft edges. We don't have any rough edges. We don't want that. That's not what we need. So y'all know, blending is key. Difuminen, difuminen, difuminen los dos colores para que se marinen así junto. Marinen, no. Marinar. That shit. Marinate. So they marinate together. The colors. Now I'm going in for the Magic palette again, and I'm taking this super light, it's like a white nude shade, and I'm putting that on top and kind of cutting my crease, but I'm not actually cutting it because I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush and I'm gonna blend it out so we have, again, soft edges. And it's gonna make it look a little bit like a light purple. So I go back and forth between packing the color and blending it out. So tú lo empacas el color primero, después vas a difuminarlo con otra brocha más grande, and then this is the result that you get. So you just keep blending until you're satisfied. Now we're putting on some mascara. This is a L'Oreal Paris mascara. I don't remember the name, unfortunately, but whatever mascara you have will work. I'm just doing it to get my lashes black from the fallout of the eyeshadow. So then I'm going to go in with these lashes. These are the Bossy lashes from Savage. I will have the links to everything that I'm using in this video in the description bar down below. Estas son las pestañas de Savage en el estilo Bossy. Voy a tener todos los links, enlaces en la descripción abajo del video. So I'm just putting it on, looking real cute, real nice, and the eyes are almost done. So we're gonna move on to the face. So I'm using the silicone-free priming moisturizer from Good Molecules, and this feels so good on my skin. It just siente tan bien, like it just hydrates. It's just perfect. I love it. Keeps my skin A1. Okay. Make a little cute face. Yes. Then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, and I believe this is in 400N. I'm using that as a concealer, and I just kind of conceal the areas that I would normally conceal. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. Bear with me, you guys. Perdón. So I'm just blending it out with actually this is a blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush, but I love this to blend on my concealer. It just gives me that flawless airbrush finish. So I'm gonna look a little bit pale, especially in the forehead, but we're gonna blend it out in a little bit, okay? So here I'm going in with a kabuki flat kabuki brush from Sigma. I don't remember the number, but I'll have it linked down below. En la descripción va a estar el número exacto de esta brocha just to blend out the foundation on my forehead. So I'm applying a little bit more concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel. I'm just putting a little bit more just to highlight my under eyes. You know, a tad bit more. Y'all know I like my under eyes real highlighted and real cute and whatnot. So that's what we're doing. Then I'm gonna set it with my Sacha Buttercup powder. And I'm not baking, I'm just setting the under eyes and wiping it away right away. That's basically what I'm doing. Making some cute, weird ass faces, but we're not gonna talk about that. So now moving on to bronzer, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution bronzer, matte bronzer from the Glow collection. Este es mi bronceador favorito lately. Like, I've been on this bronzer since they launched it, and it's just amazing. I love it. It just makes me so sun-kissed. Me encanta, me fascina. So moving on, I'm putting the same dark purple from the Magic palette on my bottom lash line, and I'm just blending that out. I'm not putting the lighter purple, I'm just putting the dark one. Then I put some mascara, and now I'm putting on some highlight. This is the Inglot highlighter in 03. I think it's called Body and Shimmer Sparkle, something like that. I'll have everything down below. I'm sorry, I don't remember much. Now I'm lining my lips with the lip liner from MAC in Chestnut, and I'm putting two different lip glosses from Savage, but these haven't launched yet, so I can't really say names because yeah, I can't. But this lip combination though, this is my go-to. I loved it. I really love it. I really like it. Me encanta esta combinación de labios. But yeah, so this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a super short and quick tutorial, but yet really glamorous. Espero que le haya gustado, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.